So what we have here is a plain vase, and we can decorate it by adding this cute little cloth gift bag. And you could do this with any kind of gift bag, but we have this one, and I got this at our local Japanese dollar store called Daiso. So you're just going to put the vase in. You could do this after you have all the flowers in, and if you cinch it and then kind of separate the top so you can add your flowers. And then I would, of course, tie the sides into little bows to give it a little nicer look, but you get the idea. So then you add your flowers in here, and then it's like a gift wrap vase of flowers. So this next idea is using a two-sided paper. So paper that is different colors on both two sides, and then wrapping it around a vase. So first you got to find some paper. So here's some paper, and see on one side it's navy blue, and on the inside it's gold. And then you're going to take your paper and you're going to measure it with your vase. So you're going to lay your vase down and then see where you need to cut it. Try to cut it evenly. We'll take our vase and you're going to wrap it around, and I'm going to bring it together like this. You're going to fold it over on itself, and then you're going to fold it back so you can see that pretty color. Fold it under itself like that. And then of course you're going to trim this extra layer. So once you have your folds, you can take this, trim it. Over a little bit so you don't see that edge. And then you want to secure it with a cord. So this is like a leather cording that's in gold. You could use any kind of small cording or ribbon or twine. Then you're ready to add water and make your flower arrangement. Another idea is to just use a gift box. So this is a cute little gift box that has a top. You take the top off and put it underneath. Then add any watertight vase that maybe isn't as pretty. And what you want to do is inside here, you want to maybe put some newspaper or something to keep the vase from sliding around. Add your water, then make your arrangement. Don't make your arrangement in the mason jar. Then put it in the box, because the box becomes your vase. So you need to make sure you do everything in proportion to the box. And then you deliver it, and the paper won't be seen because it'll be covered by greenery and flowers. So that's another way to gift wrap your flowers. Another way to gift wrap is to wrap a vase using a different method, using wrapping paper. And this is one-sided wrapping paper that I doubled over. So, because it's not pretty, and then I taped it, used double-sided tape so it stuck together. Then I folded it and put cording on it. So let me show you how you do that. So first you're going to take some kind of paper, and this is a paper that I got at the Japanese store also, because it's two-sided. It's like a rice paper, so it looks pretty on both sides, but it's nice and thick and different. So first you want to fold it in half, like into a triangle. And then you're going to lay your vase on. And, oops, I have it backwards. Lay your vase on, and you're going to bring it and fold it back right about where it meets the top of the vase, and fold it back, and you can make it even or you can overlap it a little if you want. And to make this easier on yourself, what you could do is use some double-sided tape on the vase, but if you don't want to mess the vase up, just maybe get another pair of hands. So then I have this pink cording. You can get at your craft store, you could use a ribbon. Basically, I'm going to lay it underneath my vase. I'm just going to tie it. If I go around 3 times, I can create a little bit of a decorative 1, 2, 3 knot. And then I can trim that. I could also do a bow if you wanted to. Now I'm going to carefully add water to the vase and start making a flower arrangement. So let's do that.